Dear Islamic brothers, many of us try our best to change our destiny. We even forget to obey Allah's commandments or give up. But we know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is our creator. As a great blessing, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made trials easy for believers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran, chapter number 6, verse number 59, the keys of the unseen are in His possession. No one knows them but Him. He knows everything in the land and sea. No leaf falls without His knowing it. There is no seed in the darkness of the earth, and nothing moist or dry which is not in a clear book. So we must be maintain the command of our beloved Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we obey His rules. There is no doubt He will increase our risk or income source, inshallah subhanahu wa ta'ala.